Thank you for joining in. This project is funded by the European Union Horizon program. Our webinar series Lessons Learned is a part of the Circ-uits project and contribute to the dissemination of our 3 years innovation action results. Please enjoy.
Okay, so let's start first with a short presentation about the product. So I will introduce to you the next generation of TPMS, so tire pressure monitoring system. So basically this is a sensor which is making a pressure alert, pressure display, automatic system initializations, tire filling assistance, leakage detections, and pressure on demand, everything of course within the tires. So on my approach, basically, we developed a brand new product, next generation of TPMS, trying to using recyclable materials, be fully recyclable as well. So here we want to dismounting up to the single raw materials and be able to as well repair and reuse the components. So the concept and design has been completely rethinked. So we want a maximum of circularity of the components, maximize the circularity of the component, drastically improving recyclability, and expand the overlife sensor life by reuse or exchange the component. So these are linked to low level of LCA carbon equivalent, product ready for circular economy, and product ready for a full recyclability target. So based on that, we develop an eco-design concept. So we use new raw materials qualified with the help of TRF from Stellantis. We develop new supplier of PCB, developing technology of disassembly of the component as well, but with a low LCA. We develop new disassembly technologies such glue removables, and in order to be rid of all the design which were obliged to destroy the component or to obliged to green the component at the end of life, and as well make it very difficult the repairability of the component. So we develop as well the brand new technology of valve able to be disassembly. So we completely rethink the products with a lot of new technology. We don't disclose it here because we have a lot of patents beside. The next steps was to check the performances. So we use the tools of Subsea and Mara to check the LCA, repairability and recyclability score. And price and manufacturing costs are still under investigations. Product data, it's dismantling process and time for each step of disassembly, test process, storage conditions, part status, and recycle or reuse part status. So here we bring data and we make data ready for the repairability of the part of the product. In terms of performance, so we have an increasement of the LCA due to more components when we achieved the end of the development of this new product. Due to the repairability concept and as well components a little bit bigger, so we are worst case 50% of increasement because we have different concept of the carbon equivalent LCA. But once we enter on the circular economy, that means we reuse the components, we decrease by 40% considering the product we have currently in productions, entering on the recyclability and economy circular business model. So this is very interesting. First of all, we had the product, if we see a linear life cycle which is more expensive, less efficient in terms of carbon equivalent, but as soon as we enter on the loop of circular economy, we are drastically reducing that. The second step, it's linked to the first one, repair and reuse KPI. So we are increasement by more than 200% the repairability and the reuse, because we are able to disassemble completely the product. So by adding functionality on this component, and technologies, we are able to disassemble without damaging, and as well sort out, and this is the third point, sort out completely the different raw materials and adapt completely the technology for recyclability at the real final end life of the product or the component. We are really able to sort out and to use really the right processes to recycling the raw materials. And here we have as well an increasement by 10 compared to the standard product, which is designed to cost without a circular economy inside. So here the eco design of the product is really helping a lot by increasing the different KPI we have here.
Thank you for watching this webinar episode. If you're as passionate about sustainability and innovation as we are, here's how you can get involved. Stay connected with us on our social media and website for the latest updates and insights from the Circ-uits project. Whether you're an individual or an organization, there are plenty of ways to contribute. Reach out to us to learn more about partnership opportunities, events, and initiatives.